Monkey, are you sure this drone delivery thing will work?
Of course, bro. No more heavy lifting. Technology does it all.
Okay, let's send the first package. 1 basket of carrots.
Easy. Carrot delivery. Go.
Target locked.
Why is it flying upside down?
Huh. Maybe it's testing gravity.
Dropping payload.
Ah, my carrots, they're everywhere.
Don't worry. I'll turn on turbo mode.
No,
Banana delivery activated.
Monkey. Now the whole jungle's getting banana rain.
Ha 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 ha. At least it's healthy chaos.
Lesson learned. Smart tech isn't smart without human control.
True. Next time, I'll deliver by foot, or maybe slow mode.